Hello everybody, hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for coming along in this video today. Just gonna be a short one, talk about a few topics, including this Vision Jet behind me. Let's do a walk around. I just finished detailing it. Let me know what you think.
Good morning, departure Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Take off runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for watching. As with many of my videos, they start with a story and sometimes lessons learned. Probably about a month ago, I was doing a favor for another Vision Jet owner. I went over to an adjacent airport to update the databases in his aircraft and also to charge the batteries. The aircraft hadn't been flown in a couple months, so it was important that we got those things done. And of course, you need a ground power unit to do that. So I arrived at the airport, found the airplane, attached the ground power unit as I've done hundreds of times before, went inside the aircraft, updated the databases, and after a few minutes I realized that this unit was no longer producing power. The electrical synoptics page in the aircraft was not displaying that this unit was working anymore, and so I shut the battery switches off, left the aircraft, went to go check on this unit, realized that the fan that you normally hear when this thing's connected to power was no longer working. So I thought, well, maybe we just blew a circuit breaker or something like that. So we did some problem solving, and nope, the unit was dead, and it was not coming back to life. A few minutes later, I called Start Pac and talked to a gentleman by the name of Jim. He identified himself as one of the engineers for the company, but I have a sneaky suspicion he might also be the president of the company. But he and I had a great conversation. I informed him that I had a Start Pac unit that I'd been using for years and had been using it with Vision Jets with great success. Jim was really happy to know that I had great success with the 25 amp unit, but he did recommend that I upgrade to a 50 amp unit if it was practical. He also explained that the company does offer a repair program so that I could send my unit back and have it repaired. He also said I ought to probably have it upgraded to the 50 amp unit. I quickly shipped the unit back to Start Pac, and they got it within a few days. A few days after that, I got a phone call from Ramona in customer service, and she informed me that they could in fact repair my unit. They could either repair it as a 25 amp unit or upgrade it to a 50 amp unit, and that the repair cost is roughly 50% of the cost of a new unit. In case you're wondering, repairing a 25 amp unit would cost about $360, and to have the unit repaired and upgraded as a 50 amp unit was about $560. And again, that's half the retail price, so it's a pretty good deal overall. Within a few days, I received the unit back, and it was certainly in better condition than I had originally sent it to them. And so I wanted to thank Start Pac for their work in producing units like this. You know, I was embarrassed to find out that the unit was about 10 years old. It was given to me about 4 years ago by a friend of mine named Randy Harmon, and he had had it for a few years before that, but the unit worked great, and I was so happy to know that Start Pac was supporting this unit still after 10 years and willing to repair it. So in any case, I have a new unit. It's been upgraded to the 50 amp variation, and it works great. So In case you're wondering, Start Pac is located in Las Vegas, Nevada. They have a website, and you should check out their product line if you are in the need for a ground power unit. I want to definitely recommend every Vision Jet owner obtain one of these. You can buy this product exactly from the Cirrus store, or you can buy them online through Start Pac directly. I actually think the price is better if you contact Start Pac directly, if my memory serves correctly. So give that a shot, and you can purchase a unit. In the case of the Vision Jet, you want to have the 24/28 volt variation, and probably go ahead and purchase the 50 amp variation. I think that'll be better for you. So in any case, completely tickled with Start Pac. I definitely recommend them. I hope you get the occasion to purchase one of these units and support their business as well. And if you have any questions, certainly reach out to me in the comments. Happy to talk to you about that. Thank you so much for coming along in the video today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. That tells the people at YouTube that you find this content interesting. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight. This video is sponsored in part by SF50 Flight Support. Check out sf50flightsupport.com for more information. We make jet ownership better with comprehensive services for owners, pilots, and operators of SF50 Vision Jets. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. And I can't thank you enough for your questions, comments, and feedback. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.